Hey, welcome everybody. Hope you guys are having a good time. And of course, here we are on Axion Token Channel. Man, we're going to have a good time with this update. So hope you guys will enjoy this one. Let's get into it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, hit the bell, and let's go. Now, Axion's had a lot around big strategy coming up, and we've talked about that in a previous video. So check that out on Axion's 5-year plan. Of course, 2022 looking amazing. Axion Studios, Axion changing, Axion tokenomics, and much more. So looking really good. We got the vote. This was just the last day that we had, the 25th of March. The sell tax percentage, so immediately the team was moving on this. Greeting Axionauts, as per the latest advertisement, one of the required steps for our 2022 vision was to bring in a 5% sell tax. This tax means that 5% less liquidity leaves the pool with each sell, which of course helps to sustain the price. The text Axion is then split into two, helping our tokenomics in a further two ways. After the tax, Axion is instantly burned, adding to our deflationary measures. The other half is distributed to stakers as a new form of liquid dividends. Since launching the tax just 5 days ago, approximately 500 million Axion has been sold, a far cry from the rate at which tokens were being sold during the previous 8 weeks. This has resulted in over 12.5 million Axion being burned. 12.5 million Axion being distributed to stakers as additional dividends to our wrapped Bitcoin dividends. So really effective in terms of just reducing the sell down a bit, and of course going that anyone that does sell, that goes back to burning the tokens, helps to push the price up in addition to the accelerator, and of course sweet dividends back to Axion stakers in the form of Axion, which is pretty nice. As we approach 1 week mark of implementing the tax, we would like to put the exact percentage up for community vote. So this has gone up for vote. This is now finished. The following changes are now up for vote. To keep the tax at 5%, 2.5% burn, 2.5% dividends. It's what was originally put in. Of course, the other votes were increase the tax to 8%. That would be 4% burn, 4% divs. Increase tax to 10%, 5% burn, 5% divs. So very nice. So for reference, a 2.5% burn would increase the price by around 40% and reduce supply by 10%. A 4% burn could increase the price by 70% and reduce total supply by 15%. And finally, the third option, a 5% burn, could increase the price by around 102% and reduce the supply by around 17%. So very cool. They've put a vote up there, of course, and to vote you need to have 1 million Axion staked and 400 for 5 years basically, or more to vote. So I thought that was pretty cool. Now it was 1 wallet per vote, so that was different too, and a very exciting result. So let's go over to the results. So you can see here on the Axion portal, which is stakeaxion.network, stake.axion.network. Under voting, we had sell tax percentage. That is now complete. Greeting Axionauts, as per our latest announcement, one of the required steps for 2020 vision was to bring a 5% sell tax. This is now in place, meaning 5% less really leaves the pool with each sale. Of course, this helps sustain the price. So very nice. And it started on March the 23rd, which is on the same date as this post here, and of course has ended on March the 30th. So it's only just ended, and at 10 a.m. So that was earlier. So let's see the results and see what that ended up being. So it looks like the 10% vote has taken the day. 5% burn, 347 votes. That's 46.4%. So that's a pretty, not quite a majority, but a relative majority. So cool. Not quite 50%, but a relative majority compared to the other minority votes. So number 5%, which is the original amount that was put in, got 27.4% of votes, and the third place was 8%. So people want to get that results. Once again, as we say, a 10%, 5% burn would get you expected to get these results. So 5% burn could increase the price by about 102%, so 2x on that, and reduce the supply about 15%, so which is pretty nice. So I think that's a pretty good outcome myself, and that's pretty nice. So cool. We had all these people's wallets vote, so nice on that. So how many is that? 4, 500, 900, so 4, 7, maybe about 750 votes. So that's pretty good coming from the stakers. So very cool. All right, so congratulations to everybody for that. And let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, I think that was it. So we'll be probably seeing an announcement come from the Axion team about that vote. So that's positive, folks. Axion looks like it's going to keep going up there. We've got the price here over the last hour having a lot of volatility with a small liquidity pool, but we can see the uptrend is pretty strong here, and it's looking really good on the hourly. Let's have a look at the daily on the price. I suspect that this is really going to start moving the price up quite strongly as anticipated, and this uptrend is your friend. And crypto, of course, getting an uptrend. We had obviously had a lot of volume selling down. The economics has been changed with this dramatically, and with the roadmap for 2022, 2023, it looks amazing, and we're starting to move up. Our price is starting to move up there at the moment. So not quite as sharp as this, but definitely getting up there at the moment. So we've changed the angle a little bit. That's looking pretty good. We obviously want to get up to this 5,000 mark. We're at 3,688. The price continues to move higher. We had a high today of 4,157. The price is moving up, folks. Very, very positive on that. So I think this successful tax will be very, very good. That's probably the maximum level you wanted at. I think it's going to be very good for the supply and the price. So very, very cool on that. So if you want to pick up Axion, do your investment due diligence, check out Axion Network and see how we go. Now, there is word on the street about an exchange also coming up, and that is happy to do the buy and burn as well. So it's like very positive for that. We'll obviously teasing you with that at the moment, but an exchange is on the books here, centralized exchange. So that's super bullish for Axion as well. So the road's only getting better, folks. And of course, as we saw earlier, we've got the road map for 2022, 2023 coming up with lots of cool things here with the vision. So it's very exciting. Obviously, accelerated changes now implemented, sales tax now implemented, now going to be upgraded to 10%. And of course, liquid dividends coming into the house as well. Axion Studios coming up in the next quarter. And of course, OTC pool coming up as well. DeFi 3.0 later in the year. Very, very positive, and of course, much more beyond that in 2023. So, great place to end. I hope you enjoyed this quick update on Axion. Looking good, folks. Make sure you check out Axion.network and do your investment due diligence. And if you want to stake, hit the Axion portal there. You can go through the accelerator, get all the sweet bonuses, and also get a bonus NFT in the collider. You can win double your stake or more. So, really is pretty cool on that. And once you're happy with that, get into Telegram and Discord. You can use some of the mini calculators on the website as well. Get into Telegram or Discord on Axion, and of course say hello. So you can just jump into the channel here, and links in the video description, and get in here and say hello here for sure. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. I will catch you in the next one. Bye for now.